So to enable the AM or FM radio function, go to your menu, go to Settings, go to Radio Set, and we're going to go down to Key Function. Now go ahead and pick the key you want to program. In this case, we're going to program this key right on top, PF3. Now we can select what we want to choose here. In this case, FM radio. Now if we back out, we'll turn the volume down and we go ahead and press this button. That is going to enable FM radio. From here, we can select all of our FM music radio stations. Hit that again, and it backs us out. Now one thing to note, if you do this on the 578 radio, and you go ahead and press your button, you'll have some different options. You have FM, and then you'll also have the airband receive. So AM, air, and B, and cycle back around to off.